Introducing Roger Goldammer, a master motorcycle customizer, land speed record holder, and an inductee into the Sturgis Motorcycle Museum's Hall of Fame. Roger's journey from a young enthusiast to a world-renowned bike builder is a testament to his passion and his artistic skills. Roger grew up in Vancouver, British Columbia, and moved to the interior of British Columbia as a teenager. It was here that his love for motorcycles began, starting with dirt bikes and quickly evolving to British bikes and Harleys. An apprenticeship in automotive machining combined with studies at the Motorcycle Mechanics Institute and tutelage from a Harley performance guru honed Roger's skills. He became well-versed in engine building, machining, and frame building. Roger gained fame as a three-time winner of the AMD World Championship of Custom Bike Building and the Las Vegas Artistry and Iron Show. His innovative designs and meticulous craftsmanship set him apart in the world of custom bikes. Roger helped introduce land speed racing to a Discovery Channel build-off, which sparked his fascination with the Salt Flats and provided another avenue for his customizing and performance skills.
I was around my dad, helping him as a kid, working on his British cars and his airplanes, so I had that mechanical, advantage and knowledge I gained from that. But the artistic side as well, which I think was sort of passed on to me. The vision that it takes, styling-wise, the balance and wise use of space and proportions are really important. It is a big and important ingredient in custom bike building, is the artistic vision, and I've cultivated that.
In his workshop, Roger combines his deep knowledge of motorcycles with an artistic eye, creating bikes that are not just machines, but works of art. His commitment to quality and innovation is evident in every project. Roger Goldammer's journey from rider to award-winning customizer to racer is an inspiration. His mechanical skills and artistry have earned him a well-deserved place in the Sturgis Motorcycle Museum's Hall of Fame.